Hey everyone, Ella here, and this is your no equipment booty workout. All right, so I'm gonna get everyone down onto your mat. Find yourself on both knees to begin. We're gonna fire up our center midsection, come down onto the floor and extend one leg out to the side. So your bottom knee should be in line with your hip. Your hand should be in line with your shoulder, stacking shoulders, extending through the top arm, lifting through the core. Nice and simple here. We lift up and down. Down, good, up and down. Breathe 4, breathe 3, breathe 2, hold your extension right here. 1 inch lift and lower, 1 inch lift and lower, 1 inch lift and lower. So it's really important that the hip flexor stays nice and long, the core stays strong, the rib cage stays closed, the leg stays long, hold it, watch your change. We're gonna make a big circle to the back. 3 more, 2 more, 4 circles forward, 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 4, 3, 2. Now flex your foot, push through your heel, we lift straight up. Push out of the floor, don't sink into this shoulder, don't sink into this hip. Use your core, keep it nice and strong. We pulse for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and release down to the floor. We're gonna change position now. Come onto all fours, same leg stays extended back behind you. Palms come underneath the shoulders, knees come underneath the hips. Big toe is pointed. Same series, we lift, up, down. So this time, we're squeezing through the big bum muscle. You got 2 more right here. Hold your extension, we lift, 1 inch up, release. 1 inch up, release, whew. Big booty muscle working here for 4. For 3, make sure you're not sagging through the spine. Hold your extension, big circles in one direction for 4. 3, 2, keep lifting that leg, keep squeezing through your glutes, other way, 4, oh, I feel that. 3, 2, flexing through the foot, we press up and up and up. Press through that heel, lengthen behind the knee. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the leg, we're not done. We're gonna take the opposite forearm to extended leg to the floor. You're gonna open up your hips towards me. Push out of the ground, 1 more round to go. We take it up, down. So now we're going for those small accessory muscles. You have 4, 3, keep pushing out of the ground, 2, hold your extension, 1 inch lift and lower, 1 inch lift and lower, 1 inch lift and lower. Can you get the body longer from the crown of the head down to those toes for 4? Don't sink into the shoulder, push out of the ground, 2, here it is, 4 circles, 1 direction. We'll take it back, 2 more back, 4 forward, let's go. Oh my goodness, I feel this. We did this in our in-person class this week and everybody was feeling it. Flex your foot, push through the heel, push, push, lengthen, lift, connect. Keep breathing, you got this. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, I'm shaking, and 1, gently release down, good. Let's start with a child's pose here, pushing your sits bones down into the ground. Gentle rock side to side, just find any of those sticky bits that you might have in the body. And then we'll come forward, we'll draw that right knee forward, right heel forward, find a little pigeon pose. So we need a little bit of relief through the hips after that. If it feels good, lengthen through the low back, draw yourself down onto your forearms. Whew. Coming back to center, other side. If this stretch doesn't feel good, feel free to find another hip stretch that you prefer. All right, we got 2 legs, so we gotta do this 2 times. I'm gonna turn to face the other way so that you get a good view of what's happening. You know what to expect. So I want you to be connected to your body, set yourself up for success, and think about your core and alignment as we move along the series. We're gonna start on both knees, scoop and tuck your tailbone, find your bar posture as you drop down into your side plank position. So again, palms underneath the shoulders, shoulders stacked, hips are open, leg is long. Let's lift and lower, here we go. Up and down, up and down, good. Trying to feel open through the front body, yet strong through the core. Find that nice strong balance. Push out of the ground, lift through the hips. Hold your extension, it's 1 inch lift and lower. 1 inch lift and lower. It does not matter to me how big that movement is. In fact, the smaller, the deeper connection you're going to make here. Let's find those little circles. Take it back, good. Back, yes. Even if the leg is lower, as long as you're connected, circles forward, this counts too. It all counts as long as you're working to your edge. Flex your foot, we pulse for 60. Take your gaze toward the ceiling, sometimes it helps with the leg lift. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, drop the toe down to the ground. Taking our second position, so shift yourself onto all fours. Palms are underneath the shoulders, knees are underneath the hips. So no arching through the spine, firm up through the core. Find that balance long. We lift and tap. Good. 8, 7, 6. So if your core is engaged, you're really gonna feel this in your big seat muscle. 3, 2, holding at the very top. It's 1 inch lift and lower. 1 inch lift and lower. So I'm really trying to keep the back of my neck nice and long. So I'm not jutting through the chin or rounding through the back. We're arching through the spine. Let's go for circles right here. Circle in one direction. It's small, deep, and controlled. 2 more here. Whoa. That is a burner for 4. For 3. For 2. Flexing through the foot right here. Little pulses straight up. My leg is shaking. Is yours? Oh yeah. Reset your posture. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, drop the toe to the ground. We still have 1 more round to go. Taking the forearm down to the floor, opening up through the hips, pushing out of the ground. It's lift and lower. Let's go. You have 8. Good. So really think about opening the hips and about lengthening from the crown of the head down to those toes. 2 more right here. Hold your extension, 1 inch lift and lower. Let's go, 1 inch lift and lower. Don't let that leg float forward. I really want you to push it back so the work is in the back body. Your hip flexor should feel nice and stretched. 3, 2, your booty muscles should be shaking right here. Little circles in one direction. 3, 2, other way, don't sink into the ground. Stay with me. I know you have this. Let's flex the foot and let's push and lengthen, lift in. Woo! We're almost there, just 8 more right here. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping the leg down to the floor. Push yourself back into your child's pose. Toes together, knees nice and wide. A gentle rock side to side. Oh my goodness. So that gets your core, your booty, your accessory muscles. It opens you up through the hips. Bring your left knee forward or one knee forward. Find your pigeon pose, breathe. Really, even though I said booty, we work everything, all parts of the body with that one exercise. Gentle rock side to side to release any tension that you have left. Come on to all fours. Let's finish off just like we started today with our tuck and tucking our chin towards our chest, rounding out through the spine. Opening up through the front body. One more time. Woo! Super fun stuff, everyone.
Hey Bar Babes, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Bar Fitness YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a workout, and we will see you back at the bar again soon.